Returning to my Coin Lady channel, I am pleased to see you again. My friends, XRP is currently the subject of certain rumors and speculation that, if confirmed, would have a greater impact than the SEC dropping their lawsuit against Ripple. However, before we do that, we will discuss it. Take a look at the verse. On the day, it's up 30%. This is the coin that everyone keeps telling me about. They give me a speech. Find someone serious, find someone serious. The list is endless. Last bull run, I sold it. This token has never been reinvested in by me. The blockchain, which is a layer 1 smart contract, has numerous capabilities. You should visit this network before they even think about Flare. Quite a little market capitalization. I got a call from Billy, the XRP cowboy, today regarding this coin. I am short on them. Not everything can be purchased. I wonder if I ought to, though. Perhaps I should invest a small amount here in case its market value and capabilities skyrocket. Indeed, that is possible. Let's wait and watch how it turns out. I think that once F assets are live on Songbird, it will impact both that token and Flare, because now it's actual and live, but a lot of people are thrilled about it. Whenever I want to put money into this ecosystem, that's how I normally do it. In most cases, I'll go with the Flare. I haven't been purchasing SGB recently, but there's a low-cap cryptocurrency with a powerful mechanism that I should reconsider. If you want to be a part of the Flare ecosystem, do you buy additional Flare or SGB? I'm curious to hear your thoughts on the matter. What I'm doing there has to be rethought. This means that the XRP ledger will be able to communicate with other Axo projects. Now would be a great moment to do an XRP conference call. So, on December 17th at 11:05, they're planning to have this live talk, and I'll be tuning in. I hope you are also free from work obligations. The prospect is thrilling. Connectivity with other blockchains, or interoperability. Decentralized exchange, or the ability to trade assets on-chain, is one of the greatest features of the XRP ledger. However, few people make use of it if they do not own any assets to exchange. We can transfer ownership of those assets to the XRP ledger if we can just bridge the gap. It has the potential to become a trading center, a popular spot for decentralized, cheap, and fair trading. This has the potential to be important. What this presentation has to say regarding Axor's integration and connecting other blockchains to the XRP ledger is something I'm really looking forward to. This has the makings of a monumental event. We will wait for their response in the long run. However, also stating that tokenizing assets in the real world is ideal for the XRP ledger. When we consider payments, we realize how significant they are, and we can feel the tension building up once more. The regulatory landscape for cryptocurrencies is becoming near, and with it, the seriousness of payments. But actual world asset tokenization. Major financial institutions like BlackRock, JP Morgan, and Chase are showing a lot of interest. This is the set of features that caught their attention. XRP value. Built in from the start, Ledger was the first cryptocurrency to offer this feature. What you see there is a combination of decentralized exchange, multi-purpose tokens, and compliance. In this arena, it will certainly be a monster. There is a lot of real-world construction happening around the idea of tokenized real-world assets, RWAs, and according to Bitwise 2025 projection, RWAs will reach $50 billion. This could actually happen, given the amount of institutional interest and support for the idea. The XRP ledger has the potential to capture a significant portion of the value that is anticipated to arrive very soon, and it will continue to increase from that point on. Okay, look at this. Rumor has it that BlackRock is going to apply to be an XRP ETF, Lark Davis. The cryptocurrency market will see a dramatic increase in liquidity if that occurs. I see this as bullish for numerous reasons. First of all, it demonstrates that they anticipate a significant demand for cryptocurrencies beyond Bitcoin and Ethereum. They predict that 2025 will be a banner year for crypto, with XRP, Solana, and other major cryptocurrencies making waves. Additionally, XRP is already seeing some applications emerge. Why would BlackRock be so enthusiastic? Well, they will definitely make that public first and foremost. It will be completed by them. Thanks to Gary Gensler leading the SEC, they were successful in crossing the finish line with Bitcoin and Ethereum. It will happen if they implement that XRP ETF. A more substantial exchange is going to be used for trading. Changes. If you treat this ETF independently, you'll see a lot greater trading volume. ETF, XRP is going to have a monster year in 2019 if BlackRock follows through with this. I believe it's possible, and it will be an exciting moment. As of a few months ago, I would have said that. The rumors are getting louder, and while I still don't think it will happen, we are living in an entirely new world where anything is possible. Not only Lark. It seems plausible. Furthermore, this indicates that the demand for this asset will be significantly higher than what we initially anticipated, and that there is a bigger chance that it will be approved and approved swiftly. That's our desired outcome. We are eager to receive clearance as soon as possible. This means that you can take advantage of the bull run for as long as possible. These kinds of things could be a game changer during that growth era, when they truly matter. Boost all of your price goals significantly. We shall see whether that occurs. Who knows how it will turn out? This is becoming problematic for Coinbase. You may recall when seemingly out of nowhere, wrapped BTC, sometimes known as Bitcoin, was delisted. Now that they have CB. Coinbase, Bitcoin, BTC, just another wrap product. A complaint argues that Coinbase is using an underhanded marketing tactics to promote its own product. Because it is based on Base, it is cheaper to interface with. I don't understand why wrap Bitcoin is suddenly being delisted. You can tell that this currency base has a low bar for quality. They abruptly wrapped Bitcoin and kicked it off their exchange, yet they gladly list meme currencies with squirrels and dogs. Apart from the fact that it could rival their own product, what's the big deal about wrap Bitcoin? I could care less if Coinbase has wrapped Bitcoin or not, but this situation calls for regulation. Just because you're planning to list a competing coin shouldn't prevent you from throwing coins away. This kind of behavior from exchanges is unacceptable. Coming out with their own wrap Bitcoin product for Base is a fantastic move. It will provide users with an efficient way to engage and DeFi with Bitcoin. You shouldn't be hurting your competitors, even though that's great. Therefore, they will need to take action throughout next year to prevent such incidents. For the simple reason that all exchanges are dodgy and everyone does it. Finally, the Nasdaq 100 and the highly traded Q are both incorporating Bitcoin proxy and micro methods, which is essentially an automatic move. Many people's Bitcoin play has been MicroStrategies, and now it's going to be automatically bought by Nasdaq 100 exchange-traded funds that follow the index, including the popular QQ by Invesco. As I've mentioned a million times before, MicroStrategies stock price increased by over 500% in 2024. Michael Saylor is someone that I greatly admire. I approve of his actions. Bitcoin is amazing. My main issue is that I believe he is overly aggressive and utilizes leverage too much. Eventually, this will betray him. I felt like I was listening to Alex Mashinsky when he discussed his Bitcoin strategy on CNBC. It sounded like his plan was to keep borrowing money forever and the market would never catch up. Plus, we're all aware that things will turn around when you hit a buzzsaw. Personally, I feel that he's being a little too forceful. The ability to maintain ownership of one's cryptocurrency assets is crucial, rather than amassing a large portfolio and then liquidating it all. Why? Because it's common. Michael Saylor, I promise you that it has happened to many individuals before and will happen to others after this. I'm concerned about it. Your time spent viewing my video is greatly appreciated. When you're done, hit that subscribe button and let me know what you think.